Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video, and in today's video guys, as I did say in the last video, I will be unboxing my Gucci products that I got from Bicester to go more in depth, because I didn't really show you guys, very well what I got from Gucci. So today I'm going to be showing you the more in-depth unboxing and review of the Gucci wallet I got from Bicester. So we won't be needing this today, so let's just put it over here. So yes, today we are going to be looking at this product over here, the Gucci wallet I got from Bicester Village. So let's get straight into it. First of all, just got it in this bag, so let's put this bag down as well. The receipt for the products came in this nice little card over here, as they usually do, and then you've got the receipt in there. Now we're going to go into the actual wallet itself. So it's a very nice wallet. It's not an all leather wallet. It's nylon. It's got the GG print all over the back of the wallet. Very nice. And it's got a leather trim on the outsides, as you can see. It's got that very nice GG print. Very subtle though. This is the same sort of I think this came from the same collection as my backpack that I bought, my Gucci backpack, which I've now sold, so I don't have it anymore. And on the inside, they provide you so much stuff, so much little card over here. Let's take this out though. Most of these are just plain, as you can see, nothing on them, no print or anything, just to fill up the wallet, something like that. And then also they have a card over here. I don't know what card this is. And then if we get inside the wallet, it's got all leather on the inside. Very nice. And you've got over here a little print on a little stamp. You've got, it says Gucci made in Italy, embossed in the leather, the bottom right of the wallet. So you've got 3 card slots on each side, so that means you've got 6 card slots. And then also on the inside of the wallet, you've got this little divider thing here. So you've got 2 sections over here to put your money. But there was also another one with the micro Guccissima pattern embossed into the leather, which I really like that one as well. That was one I was originally going for. I really liked it, but didn't go for it because I found this one, which I preferred a lot. So I've got this wallet with the GG print all over the back of the wallet in nylon. It's really nice, subtle wallet. I mean, you can tell it's Gucci, but so I'm very happy with this purchase. I'm really grateful that I could go ahead and buy this, and I'm really happy that my reselling is actually working out, because I do resell to make money, and I'm really happy that that's working out, so then I can buy stuff like this. So again, if you're interested in supporting my reselling, you can buy something from my resale page on Instagram, or just go ahead and visit my page, give it a follow, like my items. At streetwear_store123. Again, at streetwear_store123. Put it up over here. That's my store Instagram page. Guys, I will be making a unboxing and review of my Gucci shoes that I also got. The box is right here. So thank you for watching the video, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video, where if I get 50 likes, I'll be releasing unboxing and review of this the Gucci shoes I got. So the quicker you guys get to 50 likes, the quicker the next video will come out. So thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.